Good, Justin? Okay. Hey, what's up, Ice Barrel family? It's Nick from Ice Barrel. How do I want to start this? What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Ice Barrel. I'm excited to welcome you into my backyard and walk you through how I take care of my ice barrels. First of all, we got the Ice Barrel 500 right here. And we just had some people over, so I'm gonna do some skimming. You know, people leave things behind every once in a while, so car keys ends up in here, a cell phone, or even a camera down there. So after you skim it, I like to add a little bit of stabilizer. You can do this every 2 to 4 weeks, a cap full. Depending on how many people you have over, at my house, I have groups of people over all the time, so I actually add a cap full every week. And you always want to make sure you finish by putting the lid on it. Keeps all the debris out of it. If you get to the point where you need to do a full clean out, I usually clean out my barrels every like 4 weeks, and I'm gonna start by adding a little bit of soap. Got my hose here. I'm gonna start by just spraying it down. One thing I like to do is make sure I get all around the edges. And now that I have enough water inside, I'm just gonna use that with this brush to bring the water up around the edges and give it a good scrub. So, time to dive in. Okay, now that I've gone ahead and really scrubbed it out good, I'm just gonna go ahead and tip it over, just get all that soapy water out. Now that I got all the water out of it, I got it tipped on its side like this. Give it a nice little spray. Flip it back up. I'll move it back into position over here, and then I'll fill it up and it'll be ready to go for the next time I have a group of people over. Start filling it back up.